Namaste friends. My name is Dr. Vikrant Singh Tomar. I am Global Convener of United Consciousness. I welcome all of you in this grand celebration of United Nations International Day of Yoga. Dear friends, we are living in a divided world that is being divided in the limited identities of caste, creed, race, orthodoxies of religion, fanatic nationalism, intolerant thoughts like these. And these limited identities prevent us to see divine beyond divides. And the divided world is a dangerous place to live and to raise the kids. And that's why unification of this world in consciousness is must. We need to unite together in consciousness, and this unification has to be twofold. One, my unity with self. When a person can connect with self, and then when I can connect with the surrounding. Connection with self means connection of mind, body, and soul together. When mind, body, and soul are aligned, we feel peaceful, we feel happy, we feel resolved. But when they are not aligned, we feel agitated. There is a dissonance that we feel. And once I am peaceful with self, then I can be peaceful with the surrounding also. And that leads to my connection with the surrounding. A irritated person makes an agitated family. Agitated family leads to a volatile society. Volatile societies together makes a disturbed nation. And disturbed nations together makes a boiling world. Indeed, world is boiling. And that's why even the whole environment is boiling and we call it global warming. We need to stop that right now. This world in pieces needs a manual of peace. And Patanjali Yoga Sutram is that manual of peace. Patanjali Yoga Sutram. Yoga word itself has come out of Sanskrit root yuj, that means to connect, to unite everybody, to unite single person in consciousness. And that's why Patanjali Yoga Sutra is a grand scripture of peace. 195 aphorisms for global peace. Yoga Sutram gives a message of my connection with self. Niyamas for my personal honesty towards self. Yamas to be socially responsible. Asanas and pranayam to be physically fit and healthy. Pratyahar and dharana to be psychologically peaceful. And dhyan and samadhi to be spiritually elevated and self-realized. So all 8 limbs of Yoga Sutram assures my connection with self and in turn my connection with surrounding and divine and supreme also. So Yoga Sutram helps me to connect with self, surrounding and supreme. It leads to a world where individually a person is peaceful. A peaceful person leads to a happy family. Happy family leads to a joyful society. Joyful society leads to prosperous nations, and prosperous nation makes a blissful world. Let's not wait for the grave to rest in peace. Let's live in peace every moment. Let's breathe in peace. And this is the message of Yoga Sutram. Today, in this celebration of International Day of Yoga, around 108 masters from all 6 continents of the world and from around 50 nations of the world have gathered together on the common platform of United Consciousness to declare divine beyond divides, to unify me at my level, unification of mind, body and soul, and at the global level, unification of me, you and all. amazing speeches, panel discussions, discourses, meditation practices, asana practices, dance, music from all parts of the world are waiting for you for your journey into self. So sit back and relax and enjoy this amazing journey into self-inquiry. Let's create a healthy, happy, and a prosperous world together in and with yoga. Thank you.